Am I the only one who notices that some people, regardless of how good the point they're trying to make, still can't see past their political party? Yeah, I've noticed it. And it just shows me that these political parties have done such a good job in segregating Jamaica, turning Jamaica into two different Jamaica, one green and one orange. Sad, really. They can be making the best of points, but they can't separate themselves from their political party. They can't see their fellow Jamaican beyond the color that they support. And I don't know about you, but to me that is very sad. But yeah, I almost forgot. Ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I am on all social media platforms at KTards876. Thank you.